Welcome to this quick explainer on Python variables. Let's just dive right in, shall we?
Every single Python program you'll ever write actually starts with just one super simple idea.
That master key? Variables. They are literally the absolute foundation of all coding.
Think of a variable like a labeled box. It's just a container that stores your data.
Take a look at this. We're setting the variable name equal to Alex. See, name is your container, and Alex is the actual text stored right inside it.
But these boxes don't just hold text. They hold numbers, too, like age equals 20.
They even handle precise decimals, like setting a score to 95.5. So yeah, you can totally store text, whole numbers, and decimal values in these containers. Okay, but how do we actually peek inside our box to see what's in there?
We use Python's print command. Just type print, followed by your variable in parentheses.
This tells Python to grab whatever is stored in that container and show it to us. Boom! Almost instantly, the value Alex gets printed right there on your screen.
So that's the whole shebang. Create the variable, store your data, and print to display.
Best way to learn is by doing. So, what data will you put in your first variable?